Starting off our green chili and wax blog. This should be the first part. I'm trying to get these longer, so this will be a recap of our week. Obviously, the 4th of July is over, and if you see me wearing the same blouse, I was doing batch recordings. I try to record these little snippets when my husband is out doing something, and right now he's out helping his friend. I don't know what they're doing. Hopefully the dogs don't bark. Anyways, it's after the 4th of July. Stupid allergies. Even if I'm not outside, starts acting up. Anyways, we didn't go anywhere. I actually started working back with my client finally, and so we were busy with her, so we really didn't get go anywhere or do any barbecues. But yesterday I did make burgers, and we had watermelon, so that was our 4th of July barbecue yesterday. On YouTube I started, I think, 2 more series today and yesterday, and then on TikTok I started another series. So let me try to let you know what series I have. I think I'm up to 10. Oh my god. Don't. I am on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. This is my YouTube. So on my TikTok, I have 3 series. One is called Once Upon a Wax, and that's where I talk about my wax stash. And yeah, I go through. I need to record another one soon. And then I have one called sorry, the Hottest Hobos. That is a vlog about my dogs, pretty much little videos about them when we're going outside and playing during the day. And then the other one I started was red chili book. Red chili book. It's not book club, it's book something. Oh, red chili reading room. Oh my god, I can't remember. I just barely did the logos for that. I thought I couldn't remember. And it was something with the R, red chili reading room. Yeah. And so that one I'm highlighting the book I'm currently reading, because for me, once I finish a book, I go on to the next like right away. I don't have no morning period or nothing like that. So for me, it's easier to remember what book I'm currently reading. So that's what I'm sharing, book I currently reading. Now that's all TikTok, so you can follow me there. And on here on YouTube, I have I think 7. I'm up to 7. So the first one is aroma diplomas and self-care Sunday chit chat. Those are on Sundays. On Wednesdays we talk wax, and that is my empties video basically. I have the scars and stars. That is my projects in progress. I don't really have any projects right now, so I don't think I'm gonna film anything. Maybe one in July. I have the what's the other one called? Oh my god, I can't remember. Like I said, I have a lot. What's the other one called? Where's my book at? Hold on, let me grab my book. This is my book. This is where I record what I'm actually recording, so I could keep track. So like I said, aroma diploma. On Wednesdays we talk wax, scars for stars. I'm doing them in the order that I started them. Green chili and wax, that's the vlogs. I should remember that. anything with vendor halls, Scentsy halls, Once Upon a Wax, that's TikTok. Oh, Dollar Tree hauls I've been doing. Oh, the new one I started is I started that one yesterday. It's called the Wax Casita. That one is wax that's designated for each room. Like for example, I'll share with you. I think those are 3 wax bars every episode. So first episode we did bedrooms, and so the next one I think I'm gonna do kitchen. Like what wax works best in there, because you don't want to melt. Like in the kitchen I do bakery, um, citrus. You don't really want to do floral in there because like mine in the kitchen, it's a small kitchen, so whatever's in the kitchen will waft all the way through here, because the kitchen's way over here, and then I'm back here, so whatever's in the kitchen will waft there. So like I said, you don't really want to do um floral, so I try to keep it with bakery and citrus to smell good. And then the one I started today, and it's uploading right now, is the Wax and Wicks book club. So I started my own book club, and like I said, and so that is let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have 6 on YouTube and 3 on TikTok, so I'm almost at 10 series. I'm like, oh my god. And then that's not counting hauls. I don't think I have my other one listed here. Oh, let me check. Sorry about that. I found it. The other one is called In Wax We Trust. I did upload one video and that in June. So that one is, and I'll probably be uploading another episode. That one is from my wax buying challenge from all 50 states. So the next one is going to be Alaska. So like I said, I am expecting wax, I think this week. I think something's coming tomorrow, but I don't know if it's that one or my other one. I have 2 hauls coming soon, but I don't know. Like I said, the next one for the In Wax We Trust. So I do have 7 series, good God. So that's why I have a notebook to keep track of when I post them and what's the series called, because it's sometimes it's overwhelming, but I like things like that. It's easier for me to remember, and then I'll have like little like where I record, I have like the little signs by the door. And then now, well, not now, I mean next month, I will be putting little spooky details, because I found I have a uh it's a bitty buddy, it's a bat. And so I'm gonna start in August and above, I'm gonna start putting like either fall or Halloween spooky stuff, whatever I have in my back in the bookshelf, so you guys can see them. Also next to my nephew's justice page. And July 28th, I'm gonna try to record a dedicated video talking about his case, in case anybody is interested in it. And then you can go to change.org and sign the petition. I know I'm going on a trip to California in January, and I might be going somewhere in September. I don't know yet, but that's going to be part of my vlogs. And so this is the first snippet into the new green chili and wax. I don't think I have anything recorded. The last one I did was all like cooking or going out. So this one is going to be mostly like how our week's going. And like I said, today is Monday, July the 6th. Yeah. And so let's talk about what I'm warming. So in this room, I have a mini warmer. I am actually melting a candle that didn't burn correctly. So I'm melting the wax, and that one is a white tea. So that one is in a mini warmer. That's like, I'm looking straight at it, and I have my Scentsy Go. I have to charge that one. That's the white one. I have to charge that one up. I have a tea light warmer in the kitchen. That one has something with amber, because I just smelled it when I went to go get my cereal, because I was eating cereal. There's my dog in the back. He wants to go outside. He's been going outside every day, but like since the 4th of July and all that, it's a lot of noise. Been keeping him home, so he's antsy. So excuse him. He's not gonna shut up. Um. So yeah, and then in the other tea light warmer, I have goody goody gumdrops. And then let's highlight what room spray I have. I usually try to keep a room spray in my basket. Cinnamon pine cones. Let's see what else is in my basket. This is the basket I keep. I keep this by me. I obviously have my other phone. This one has my books on here, my magnifier to see, my little Kleenex. I do carry a lotion. This one is Wild Seaside from Scentsy. It's almost done, so that'll be in my empty soon. I do have a hand sanitizer in Purell. Charger, of course. Back scratcher, because this heat makes me itch. Flosser. Nail file. Nail clippers, because my nails are always breaking. My sensor for my diabetes, 117, pretty good. And let's see, my Nook. My Kindle. I always call it Nook. I have my pills, and then my allergy pills, and these are the Claritin. I'm gonna have to take them right now, actually. The Claritin, and then that is it, guys. That's what is in my basket. This basket stays with me right by my side every day. So let me put all this crap back in here. And so that is what's in there. Sorry. So that's a pretty fun little interesting way to get to know me. So that's what these vlogs are all about. Again, I am Monica. My name is Monica. This YouTube channel is Spanish Hello. This is for the green chili and wax vlog. Let's see, what do we have this week? I'm waiting for my job to call me back. I have an appointment Wednesday, and we have the 2 appointments Wednesday. Friday we go food shopping, and then Saturday and Sunday back to work. And I think that's going to be our week. And we will continue this vlog. Hey guys, this is part of my green chili and wax vlog. I am just coming back from the shower, so my hair is wet. This is what my hair looks like. It's dark brown, and then the gray is right here. Not too bad for 57 years old. What do you guys think? Sorry if my boobs are in the way. Anyways, this is what's today? Tuesday. Got my hair on me. We are, let's see, there we go. We're headed to Albuquerque to take our scrap metal load. Our trailer is full. We have a 16-foot trailer, so it's full. I don't know if I should braid this, but I don't have nothing to tie with. This hair is not that long. don't know if you guys can see it. It's brown and it has gray flecks, but I have diabetes, so my hair is very thin. Anyways, continuing with our day. Yeah, we're gonna take scrap. I'm actually waiting for my husband, so if he comes and whatever. But after that, we have to pay the insurance. Probably gonna go to lunch. I might record that because it's a place I've been wanting to go since my birthday in April, and I didn't get to go because they were closed that day. So we're here at my in-laws' house. We don't have running water in our house, so I have to take showers at my mother-in-law's or my sister-in-law's. So I usually go this house, my mother-in-law's, and he goes to my sister-in-law's this house. We try to do it at the same time, so that way we're not waiting for the other person to take a shower. I wanted to show you guys my tote bag for this month. I change purses every month, so to me it's, look, isn't it cute? Sugar skulls. It's a tote bag, backpack, not a tote bag. What else is going on? My mom seems to finally have found a new housekeeper in Texas. Yay, thank God. Because if not, I would have to go and take care of her. But it seems to be working out, and now I should be staying in New Mexico. As far as I know, I don't think I'm going out of state. Not till January. Anyways, I'm going to California for my dad's 20th passing of his anniversary, and my cousin's same time. They died the same day, 3 hours apart, something like that. What else is going on? I have an appointment tomorrow. A doctor. We'll be discussing the burping touching. I think that's it. And then back to work on the weekend. So I'm trying to keep these a little bit longer. So I think this is a cute design. It's pretty warm out here. It's like 84, and it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning. But this is New Mexico weather. Oh, and then I'm gonna be recording a new what is it called? The wax casita with another 3 bars. That was gonna be the kitchen edition, and then I'm gonna be recording a video for TikTok, and then I need to record a video for my nephew's anniversary of his passing, July 28th. So I have a couple of weeks, and I have 2 calls coming. I haven't heard nothing yet, but they should be coming soon. But yeah, YouTube. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. My TikTok I changed to Spanish Halo finally. That's the name I originally wanted. So everything is lined up all at the same. And we will talk to you guys later, maybe around today. You guys see that? It just flew into the car. I don't know if it's a beetle or a bee. Oh, damn it. Oh, hell no. Oh, it's over there stuck. Oh, God. This is why I need the... Oh, my God. If I scream, you know why, because it probably charged at me. They're stuck in there somewhere. Where is it at? Where'd it go? It was on my Sensi, what is it called? Why am I blanking out? It's still there somewhere. I don't want to get close. It's gonna make me yell. Where'd it go? It's still there. I can see it. Oh, it's a big old mother. Did you guys see that? I can't tell what it is, a beetle or a bee. But I hear it. Just gonna keep recording until either my husband comes or it leaves. Yes, our car is dirty, I'm aware. It needs a bath. I was just watching my the video I just took for my green chili and vlog. That's gonna be part of this one, and I saw it come in here and I was like, what the heck? This one is what is it? Huddle Up? Where the heck? Oh yeah, Huddle Up. Yep. So it's grass and dirt. It's fine. It's like a colonial one. And these ones, they usually sell them in a pack of 3, but I get them in the sales of the clearance of my website, and they have one single ones. Where the heck did it go? I can't see it now. Oh well. If it goes back on, I'll start recording. Here at the scrap room.